I have been using ESR and Spigen screen protectors all my life, and now I finally decided to give anti-spy screen protectors a try. I don't like the fact that ESR and Spigen anti-spy screen protectors come in packs of 3. That honestly feels like overkill for me, so I decided to try a cheap one instead. But will it actually be good enough for my iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let's find out. Let's quickly unbox and see what we get inside the box. We get a cleaning kit, a thank you note, which is a nice touch, and then the screen protector itself. Unfortunately, you don't get an alignment frame like you do with ESR and Spigen. So keep that in mind because you will have to align the screen protector manually. Now let's install the screen protector. I always switch off the phone before installing a screen protector because it helps a lot with alignment and also makes it easier to spot tiny dust particles on the display. I already have ESR clear screen protector installed here, so let's peel that off first. Now let's open the cleaning kit. You get an alcohol wipe, a dry wipe, and a dust removal sticker. First, let's clean the screen with the wet wipe. Then wipe it down with the dry wipe. After that, I usually use a flashlight to make sure there are no tiny dust particles left anywhere on the screen. Now let's peel the sticker off the anti-spy screen protector. Since there's no alignment frame, I actually had to turn the phone back on for a second just to properly see the dynamic island and front camera cutout, because that's basically the only proper reference point you have while aligning it manually. Press from the center, give it a few seconds to settle properly, and then push out any bubbles that are left. Now let's test the anti-spy feature. And honestly, it works surprisingly well. The moment you tilt the phone sideways beyond roughly 28 degrees, the screen becomes almost completely invisible. But one thing you should know is, this is not 360-degree privacy protection. The anti-spy effect mainly works from side viewing angles and not vertically from top and bottom angles. And honestly, most anti-spy screen protectors work exactly like this. Also, I did not notice any major brightness reduction. So you don't really have to crank up the brightness all the time, which is good for battery life too. And on a closing note, apart from not including an alignment frame, I think this is a really good anti-spy screen protector. If you can manage manual installation, you'll be perfectly fine. If you're trying an anti-spy screen protector for the first time, I would actually suggest trying cheaper ones like this before spending big money on expensive ESR or Spigen packs of 3. Because if you end up not liking anti-spy screen protectors, at least you did not spend too much. So yes, pretty solid deal for the price. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.